Welcome po, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lugano. Maganda po ang lake nila, tingnan nyo.
Shopping! Shopping!
Yeah.
Masaludo!
So, malapit na po tayo sa Italy. Pakagandang mga tore.
Welcome to Captain Travel's Dream Europe Tour. Day 8. Lugano, Mercote, and Milan. Let's go!
So the day everybody was waiting in the main square to see William Tell shooting the arrow. He picked up 2 arrows, he came down, he shot the arrow, of course he failed the head, he shot the apple. Yeah, he got his freedom back. Everybody castles to protect the entrance of the valleys. Then we had Locarno.
Good morning, Switzerland! Today is our last day po ngayon dito sa Switzerland. Check out na kami ng hotel namin. Tapos, explore muna kami dito sa Lugano. Yes, Lugano. Yun yung pangalan ng place, Lugano.
No region, but nowadays it doesn't go around anymore, stays in the same place, so they transformed it into bar, restaurant, everything. You have the tourism office if you want to go and pick up some information or anything. It's just on the other side, and you can see the flag of Lugano also here at the main building. This square was the one they are replicating. They like the buildings with the flowers, everything.
Welcome po, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lugano. Maganda po ang lake nila, tingnan nyo. May boat restaurant din. Pwede kumain. Magaganda yung mga mountains. Ayan. Tapos may mga bibe dun, no?
Hanapin natin yung mga bibe. Ang laki ng bibe, oh. Parang swan yata yan, eh.
Ayan, naghahanap po kami ng mapagla-lunchan. Pero dito na lang kami magla-lunch. Sa gilid lang. Overlooking the beautiful lake. Diba? So, hindi na kami mag-restaurant or fast food, ganyan. Baon lang kami ng sandwich. Tapos dito na lang namin sa tabi kakain. Diba? Tanaw-tanaw to. Pwede na, solve na. Ito na, kain na tayo. At ito po, kakatapos lang namin mag-shopping.
Shopping!
Yeah.
Masaludo!
So kung nandito kayo sa Switzerland at may plans kayong bumili ng mga watch, then this is the best place to be. Tapos, kapag marami kayong binili sa Switzerland, meron po ditong tax refund mamaya po sa border. Pag exit natin ng Switzerland, merong customs doon, pwedeng i-refund yung mga tax na binayaran natin.
Part of the lake, but we are going to see there is a small city that is called Campione d'Italia. Campione was a village that was Swiss but decided to remain Italian, and nowadays it's an Italian people, and before they built them in the 19th century, Mercote had a lot of people living there and everything for the trading.
Morcote. Yun po ang pangalan ng little village na ito. Yan. Malapit na po tayo sa Italy. Konti na lang, malapit na tayo sa border. Ito po ang madadaanan natin.
Uy, ako isa pa dito.
Hello! Nandito kami ngayon sa Morcote. Saan mo gusto? Wow! Ang laki dito. Welcome sa Castello de Milano. Wow! Napakaganda po dito. Naglalakad-lakad lang po tayo. Ayan. May napakagandang mga tore. Wow, ang ganda. Ang taas.
Mi fa, ma secondo te io di dove sono? Ma io
The fountain.
The moment that you get distracted, so don't leave your things hanging around, but they will not do anything with cars or something like that.
okay, it's green.
Okay,
Nakakatakot naman yan. At nandito na po tayo sa Piazza Duomo. Piazza Duomo. Napakaganda. Dito po yung shooting sa Milan. Yung eksena ni Claudine at ni Piolo. Yan po ang napakagandang Basilica. Diba? Ayan na po, sa wakas, nakahanap din kami. KFC. Ayan, ang saya na namin. Fried chicken. Sana naman may fried chicken sila. Sana talaga meron. Kasi pag wala, ewan ko na lang. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng fried chicken. KFC. Oh, ayan, may chicken. For the first time, makakakain ng prito. Prito in general. First time namin sa Europe. At ito po ang aming order. Ang daming french fries. Fried chicken. Nakinain ko na. Gutom na kayo sobra. May burger. May mais. Ayan, mais yan. Rice. Soft drinks.